Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Today, guys, we will show you where the airbag module is located on Mercedes W211 in case you need to remove it or replace it. It's super simple. Not very complicated procedure. We have a video how to remove it. We have a video about programming later in the future as well. So what you guys first need to do, make sure you activate, okay, your emergency brake. Next, you need to put the car, okay, in neutral, like right here. Okay, then you can turn the key off if you need to. But if you that's only to show you the location of the airbag. The procedure for removing is completely different, guys. Okay, so now we need to pop that thing open on the front, okay, like that. Pull it out, then it comes towards the back. Next, you need to pull that thing up, okay, right here. Okay, and you can pull the whole ashtray assembly out of there. Okay, you have the wires for the lighter, but we'll just leave them on. You can disconnect them later if you need to. So this is, guys, the airbag module right here, which is not very complicated at all, right? There is two screws right here holding it, and should be, I believe, one more extra in the back. Usually there are 3 or 4 screws. Okay, and the wires, of course, but you need to have make sure that the battery is disconnected for so long, all that stuff, so airbags don't go off or anything like that. So that is the procedure, guys, to show you where it is located. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.